People. Hi, my people. Hi, my people. I greet everybody. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. I greet woman. I greet the little children. Na me, Princess Odohunogi. I thank everybody. Oh, I greet everybody. I greet man. I greet woman. Now me, Princess Odohunogi. Now well done, my people. Hi, my people. God bless, God bless, God bless. May the ancestors bless every one of us in the name of our ancestors. Amen. I greet everybody. I greet man, I greet woman. My main reason of coming out. People, enemy of progress, they want to blackmail my name. They don't know, say they're not fit. Me, Princess, I white like snow. Yes is my yes, when no is my no. Ilebinu people, they want to spoil my name because of I dey fight for them, I dey fight for myself, I dey fight for everybody. But they don't know, say nothing. They don't try different way. They don't try, they don't succeed. Na ima joker money, na they come say me, Princess, take I chop him a joker money. I want bring her call Libya. I don't know what did they think. I don't know. Me, I'm not like that. I water like snow. Princess Odohunogi. Although those that do that, they will see something in their life. Any person waiting me no do. Any person where say I do it. I leave her for the hands of God, of hands of our ancestors and God. Now leave her. Me. People, I greet everybody. All the whole people, when you know say they put money for account, may they bring the receipt, show the world. May they know how much they put for my account. Me, I not they eat person money. Person not they eat my own. Now, so if I want that shoe, I dash you. Me, I go feel removing my joker there without person not donate money for me. But I don't want to do it. May they not say maybe na me the sponsor. May I take the disturb the man. I don't want to do it. Me I go fit remove her there. I go fit. But I don't want to do it. They go say na me call the sponsor. Now ancestors when send me. Now I still saying my joker. And many people there where they say. Una never see something. More than not now this propaganda we tell 11 new people. Make them not they talk. Make good thing enter our life. Make it enter our land. Now make us come out. Now make ancestors send us. I don't hate anybody. Now the good thing make it enter my land. Enter Nigeria. Enter our states. Now me there. And any people when they block her, make the little ones they suffer. Make everybody they suffer. I must say it. Nothing when person go take block my mouth. Make her not talk. Nothing. Nothing. I come out last 2 months when I see me. Last 3 months when I see me. But the thing not too much. You go buy land for Nigeria. They go collect and sell her for different places. They will sell her for different people. Anything when you do, problem for our state, for our country. No person when they tell the truth. Everybody they lie to each other. How? Princess Odohunogi like me no go fit come and talk the truth. I must come and talk. No propaganda one I go do. No, una want spoil my name. Say me they pay more. Anything one I like. Nothing will stop Princess Odohunogi. Oh more. Yeah. Nothing there. I love everybody. But one thing one I want know. I want make our rulers make them repair our place. Now that one me dey against. And I go continue the talker. And not see when person go do me. Because who send me? He passed the people when they put allegation for my head. What go make me fear? Nothing will go make me fear. In that way. It's me, Princess Odounoge. Nothing. No matter propaganda what I go do. That's why you see say our country, no change. As soon as see me so, have you noticed I be human trafficking? Or they bring guests call Europe? The people they give una my information. Make una ask the people how many workers are they pay for every month. Mona ask them how many workers are they pay for every month. Mona ask the people. They go tell you now. I know they do a shower. Mele mahoke. Iwina gi here. Ni young winner. Iwina they walk. At they walk. Where me they gum everybody. They not say at they walk. Me I go fit pay money removing my joker there. Oh yeah, I go fit. But I don't want me to talk say maybe na me say me go talk. No. Now ancestors send. That's why I talk. Now ancestors. As soon as bad ancestors they say on our people, make that they insult our people, they insult Isha, they insult things they bad for the place. Una know they see now to eat money. I must name now for the place where it's supposed to lay. I must do talker. No amount of people will go stop me unless una change. Una repair that our country. Una repair. How many years Nigeria get independent? How many years Oyibo leave us? What do we see inside? Poverty, dying, killing, kidnapping. Esme, Boko Haram. Now we see. What do we go prat for? At the talker, people with the benefit. They want give me with my bad name, una not fit. Instead of una to fit to give me bad name for what I not do. Ancestors, you go put una to sleep. Those when they planning for to give me bad name. Ancestors go put una to sleep. That's how it go be. They will say a person where they see yesterday, now he sleep, you not wake up. That's what ancestors go do now. Now so don't know go do now. If you not know what that name, if you not know, in hunger, none of you go feel hold up for that country. Hunger for don't know. If you call, none of you. I be mother. That's why I never use 3 or 4 people show example. I the beggar. I be mother. Oh yes. That's why. But if the hunger come out, if it come out, Oguname de Nigeria, they got the clap for her. I think they say, yeah, they clap for her. If the Nigeria now make it do it worst. And they wait. Make it do. I think say now maybe the next. And they wait Oguname. As it the Nigeria now. Now una make una leave propaganda Oguname. All this propaganda what they do, they make our country not good. They make our country they fall down. Mona not they lie. You know don't see country, see Oyibo, see their land. Now Oyibo land you come fear, no let you enter bus or motor from Lagos call your place. You run for Boko Haram. You run for Esme. Now aeroplane you enter, come for Benin. I think you say you strong. You say you strong. You know the fear Esme. Nothing. Why you not from as you drop for Lagos or anywhere you come down? Why you not take motor? Come. When you call Una la you can't enter okay, you can't enter aeroplane company. You can't cut down for Benin. Why? Why? Make una go know the truth. Una go know the truth. Una no go work follow the truth. Wetin go benefit una? Now una know they think about other people. Una know they think about other people. See how Nigeria be. See how it be. My people, fear not let Oguname enter moto. Make una see how they deceive una, our youth. The aeroplane enter from Lagos to Benin. Now you enter. Why you no follow road? Yesterday for Benin, Lagos Benin road to Auchi. Nana see esme as it take block road. Why Oguname no enter Lagos to Benin? Why? It dey fear. Una ancestors no stand for you. You no stand. Oguname no stand for you. You una want to put name when una no fit break me down. I must say the truth. Make una join hand mona repair president with traditional ruler. I don't get anything hate for now. But one thing, make una do na work because it don't pay when that our country destroy. That's what I want. That's what ancestors want. Everybody wants. I must do it. I'm gonna come out, gonna give me that place for 2 years. Make a ruler. Make it Hausa Fulani come out for ruler. I want rule Nigeria. Make una see how I go take repair those states. Whether our children go to die for Libya Sea. Whether we go school not go get job. Gonna give me 2 years. I want rule Nigeria. I wanna just leave her for me for 2 years. Make her control the money. Whether everybody not go there okay. Una know what you know they do it person talk and come out una go the verse. Una people when they benefit from that go they write back comment, they talk back comment. We not go stop oh. We not go stop until you not change. Una repair that our country. Una repair that our country. They say nothing wanna go, no talk wanna go talk. Where be say, he go pull me down. Nothing. Because they send me to come and say it. Unless you not kill me. If you not kill me, the people when you do it, I go root all of them out. I go root all of them out. Why the war not they like the truth? Fear not gonna let people come Nigeria, come stay. No lights, nothing. If you talk, they go they find light where they go put. Where they go put for person eye, for heads. Nati say, una go say I eat him a joke money go make me. I go come they say me princess. Una jam rock. Now they give me feather to fly. Now they give me power to talk. You know how many people they pay for a month for here? You know how many people? See these people. Unati say, people when they give una my information. You not tell una. You not tell una what they do. You not tell una. Say me if they pay money for if Majoka money, me want carry and go. When they talk, what Majoka do don't do for that in place. Una don't do una get am. Una get am. What Majoka don't do? If na 12,000 euro carry am when they donate for Majoka. Now that one what a propaganda one I want do. That's why our country not better. That's why our country not better. Now they give me power to say more and more. To they open the details. of what una dey do for that country, for that state. I go dey open the details. Oh yeah, Princess Odohunogi. Oh more. Me, fear who? Ha! I did you not know na. Oh. Ikeke yegbe o mi yebe. Ikeke yegbe o. Ikeke yegbe o. Ikeke yegbe. Ikeke yegbe o ibi otun re. Ikeke yegbe. See ya. Say me, I got in my, I want when me with my una dey lie, manipulation. We make our country not better. See suffering. You know, say Jehovah people that preach, they say that this life na hellfire day. Una know where the hellfire when they born now, when it really day. I really conclude with Jehovah witnesses. You see, that's our Nigeria. That be the hellfire of lie. Hellfire, they don't they believe in the truth. Hellfire, they not if those when they get the money, moment they don't they get that, they get where they take, they not go want make the truth come out. Ah, my people, why we be like this? Why we don't want make the truth come out? Why? So, una go ready go Nigeria, fear no go let una. This one go Nigeria, if we have a pama. They carry some Igbiagapu for there, they dance. They dance, Igbi rapper. If they don't let you enter motor from Lagos to Benin, you enter this thing. She. That's what I go tell the Pierre Benin. That's so I go tell the Pierre. That's so. The truth must talk. The truth must come out. Biafra. Biafra must. Where our boundary pass for Biafra lands or that is where we go put Biafra flag. Bam! Out! Amadike, Abanite, Inadikano, Amadike, Inadikano, Amadike. Igodo is Biafra land. Na Biafra, na it be our savior now. Na Biafra, na it be waiting everybody put hope. Now, since 1960 when Nigeria get independent, waiting we get. Die, suffer, sorrow, suddenly death, nothing. No water, nothing, no good road, nothing. Or the old, the young, the young, they die. That's what we see. Since 1960, when Nigeria get independent, flag of Nigeria, they cry with blood. The time of EndSARS. Now that one I go to say we not go happy for Biafra. Elders make una think. Rulers make una think. Una go carry gun like this. SARS go shoot. Outside Esme go shoot. Una want may we clap hand follow Nigeria, or may we clap hand follow the rulers, or may we clap hand follow the traditional ruler where our children they die for their eye, that they kidnap our people, that they kill our young one. We go clap and follow now. Oh, my youth. Mona think. Mona think. Since 1960, we still there exiled. We still there exiled. Children, when we they born for Europe, they not sabi speak our language. Our elders not the thinker. Our traditional ruler not the thinker. Our president not the thinker. Oh, my youth. When I say make we eat food, we go forget. We not go eat food, forget. We must talk. The truth must come out. Picking. Since when me dey Europe, I never see woman where do operation, he die. No good hospital. Nothing. No fuel. Place where they say fuel day. Kerosene they cost, fuel they cost. This TV, many things. Nothing to talk about. Even sand to build the house they cost. Only one person. Now the sex mate for Nigeria. Since 1960, when Nigeria got independent, nothing to show for it. Nothing. 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 Youth. Now they produce children now. Una want una children go continue with this suffer. Una want una children go continue with this agony where we there. Una want una children go continue with this kind of a life. Fear not the let person travel go Nigeria with him picking. Una want? Time they come when you go ask una say where is una country? If we no move, if we no get up now, my people, I don't hate anybody. Now the truth, now they talk. Person can never close this. I must say the truth. Una know say the truth at the talk. Una know, my beloved people. Una know. The problem when we get for our place, I think sleep thinker. I sit down thinker. I use verse thinker. I still ask ancestors. I ask God Almighty. They tell me say now our rulers. Now the problem there. Oh yeah. Our rulers. Why our head no go carry load? Why we not go vibrate? Your sister will do you small thing and you go verse bad. Because of waiting your head carry. Because of the roads when your mama no pass. Because of thinking when your mama no think. My youth, when they Europe, I want to talk to you. If not one head now, you never pay your house. It remains small. Your head not go carry load. May they not cut your water. May they not cut your light. May they not cut and everything when you know say you they use for your home. And you get children. Instead, if you don't get work, not be beg, not be beg. What you are not supposed to do, so they do. Huh? Oh, my beloved Jews. Oh, my beloved people. Mona think. Mona wake up. May we draw this rope together. May we talk to our presidents, our rulers. Mona not talk, say they not they talk to this one. Mona not think that one. May we draw one rope so that the children when we the egg when we they lay now, may they not suffer. We need to fight for our rights. We need to wake up. My people, now European people are the turtle. Now people, when it pass through Mediterranean Sea, enter Europe. Mona listen to me. Una the verse for me. Say at the turtle, our Oba. Oh yes, I turtle. Because Nai, they position to help us. Nai, they position to help Mama at home. Nai, they They position to help sister at home. They position to help our brothers at home. They position to repair the land. I don't get anything bad for her. That's waiting at their against. Our ancestors there against. And nobody go close this much. Make her not talk. I must talk. My people were there Europe. My sisters. If I diverse at times, now comment make me they vibrate. Una know? Our sisters there. Government will collect their children. You know what? That blood, that pikin will become for Nigeria tomorrow. You know? Someday, they don't even know where the children they. If they collect her, they don't know where they. So our case, because of that collect, when they collect children from them, you go make them run mad. Their head not they correct again. Their head not they correct again. Go to everywhere, even Madrid, Roma, different city, different places. Our boys, many they craze. Nobody to talk for us. My people were there Europe. Una see American person where they craze for Europe. Una see them. Una see them. Okay, una see London boys where they craze. Maybe apart from that, those where they take drug or they be junkie. They're not even they craze na street they day. If they don't still take caffeine, government they take care of those. Talk less our people now for just say they not fit pay house rent. It make them day frustrated for Europe, where we get comments, we get traditional ruler. No one care. They know they think they go that they travel come for the Europe where we there. That they see what they happen. Oh my God, my goodness. Una say make princess. Don't know no talk. Oh no, I must talk. I must talk. Oh yeah, talk. Nobody. Unless that person, he want tell me waiting I go here. How they go to repair the country? How they go to repair the country? No, let that one. Or they kill me. Make her not talk again. Only that one. I must talk. I must talk. Oh yes. Una know how many people will they lose a day? Una know? Una know how many people? Una know what they happen to our people? 4 days ago, I 5 days ago, you know how many people died for Libya? You go see person go call me. They tell me whether traditional ruler. Now they send them go Europe. Now there you fail. Now there. If you don't know, you wait they put that comment. If you don't know, say not there. Let me tell you. How it be there. People went there Europe, more than listen. All the whole place were not there for you. It gets local government there. They get rule and regulation for that place one day. Where people will go find work there. Anything when you go feed do, you go see. To take care of old women, you go see. To take care of old men, you go see. Government they pay. They pay. If our rulers, they thought they go about our traditional rulers, as many be now. Old people when they really want help us. They really want put things as Europe go na corner where they receive money. Una forget what they happen to people for home. If they want put her, you no read them. You no read the 3 months to fix those things. Because we get the money. Nigeria get the money. You no read the 3 months to fix her. Because the place one a day, people there where they sweep streets. People there where old women they go put doctors when go come they take care of them. You get people for the community when you there that they cook. People when not get food, they go they share around every day. Every day. You get the time when I newly enter here. When I newly enter Europe. The people they bring food for me. They bring food for me, eh? That food when they bring for me, I eat, I come fast. 2 freezers I come full. They bring food. They go bring morning, oh. They go bring afternoon. They go bring evening, oh. They go bring food for you. You not pay anything. Fish, they go fry. Anything they go fry. If that kind of thing they happen for our states, tell me what Italy gets. Tell me what Nigeria gets. What we get, Italy get that kind of a thing. Nobody go to work. No people go to work. We get things when we go tell you fine. Why people say now those way they are top. Now then they carry the money. We will not say make princess or don't get no talk, make it close mouth. Will not they put allegation for my head? Oh no. Now they not jam rock. I must talk. I must talk. These people go bring food for me. One day, I come back, I don't want food again. Food will come tire me. Rice, different thing, fish, meat. I come back there, I beg. I beg, I don't want. As it pass 1 year, they could still meet me. Say, I beg, make them still they bring food come. Now tell them say, no. I know what. Make them not bring food come for me again. I go feel take care of myself. Okay, they say my children. Now say they go feel take care of themselves. My children they go school. My pikin they go school. They put her for the school where my pikin they go. If they eat there. If they eat 3 times in a day. With Zumo. With if na Coca-Cola in what. Anything when he want, he go take eat. They get big hole when they eat. Without I not pay 10 kobo. 10 kobo. I not pay. I not pay shishi. And if they still call us for weekend, make the seafood. Now say I don't want. Then when I can't get people where they work for me, they can still meet me. See all these black people with some of people where they with me, make them still they bring food. I tell them say no. One Ghana guy come tell me say make a ladder. They bring the food. They ain't like the food. I say no. I don't want. Make they give other people. I get. I don't go say because make they come they bring food for me. You know they Nigeria like that. You know they our country. Whose people they do that one? Now local government like our kings. Now then they cook those food they share for Europe when we day. Why our people not fit do am? Papa, people they when they no get papa. Woman they will be widow. Our people, our government, you know, they help them. They don't know whether they live. Una say me cannot talk. I must talk. Okay, that one pass. Spare when me day. Nigeria Association that they carry mother trailer food every month. They give them, whether they share for people. That's the like I said, Adobe, as let me say, as a Iyekorio Obina, those chiefs there, that they share food for people there. As this place be what do they call them? Asagbo be. People there, government they give the trailer of food when they eat. Different region for Europe where we dey. Make una call our children when it dey Spain, whether they not they share food for them, whether they not they share food. Which one our government they do? Which one our traditional ruler they do? People when the way they palace, their children, they say me we no talk. I must talk. Nothing will not go make me talk. Nothing, no amount of trendy, no amount of intimidation, no amount of lie when they lie against me will not go make me come at all. I must talk. Nothing. That's why I see say many things come they bring leg come out. Oh yes. The people when the now two problem we get for that our region, you go see people when they say na they be Benin, they condemn other people. That lie, una not fit control that lie, una not fit control that point, una not fit sit talk about that point. Not be today start, not be yesterday start. It start many years, but we not fit bear that kind of thing again. That intimidation. We not fit bear them again because those regions now blood they flow for our blood, for our vein. Now blood still they flow for people when they say now then get the place. It's now blood still they flow for their vein. We cannot bear it again. Until they correct it. I know the fear. Una see me say me the fear. When me don't pass through suffer for all my life since I was born. Who be that person when me go fear? I only they give person respect. I go give you your respect. But don't look down on me. Don't look down on many region when it's around una. I know they fear. Even though una tie me like this, that they kill me, they use knife to tear out my body. Now what it will come out. I only they cry, I feel cry. But you not gonna make me change the truth. The truth, I must say it. That's whom I am. My people, it good. We, as you see me so, we will be women. We want to change this situation. We not the fear. We not the fear. We plenty. We plenty. Until they change good thing. Cut is go come off our land. Kidnap go come off our land. They go plan for farmer. Our children no go they hawk for street. Our people no go they travel. They go put everything equal. Youth no go they die before we go think. They will repair our place. So that people when they Europe, after suffer, when they suffer, if they come, they go physically sit down for outside, take that natural breeze. That's what we want. We don't want intimidation. We don't want oppression. We don't want Nami get Benin, or Nami get the states, or Nami get Ishan. No. We don't want it like that. We don't want it like that. I know the fear. P. Road where my papa no pass. Road where my mama no pass. Waiting my papa never experience. It I experience her. Right? Oh my, I beg. When me no say money dey my country, when me no say we get things to do, so people just sit on it, make it so they die, make it so they rotty. Una say make I no talk. Their children, they pull allegation for my head. They fake carry Joker boy put for prison. I cannot stop. Until that our country, una repair. Now so he do, he go to me go dey talk. He do, he go to me go do. Now we be he do, now we be. Person of you call the intimidators for that land. You know they give us respect. They only they feel say not there. No, it cannot go like that. Who does that? It cannot go like that. Everybody is equal. Yeah. Change the situation of people. Let people happy again. My place, at times food where they eat when I small. I go take out this kind leave. I wish my country good to now. I go to tell my baby say, oh, if you see my country, then like this it be. You go enter bush, you go see snake, you go see animal, you go see this one. Children want to see those kind of a thing. My people. Our rulers, our children want to see our land, that they cry, that they fear to come because of what that they see for media, what that they see. Boko Haram the key, Esme the key, everything turned bad. You know if you pass express road again, that they see everything for Twitter, that they see for everything. Children when they born for Europe, now inside Bele, they know how to operate phone. Moment they don't reach down, that they see everything. I know what my pikin they ask me, how he just see something like this for Nigeria. He just see for so thing like this for this country. He just see. He could ask me one question one day. He said, "Is it only in Nigeria, in Africa? Why baba things happening there?" I'm ashamed of myself. He said, Mommy, you sure you come from there? Before children will come, they ask you that kind of a question. Is that not a stigma? Nigeria is not a stigma. Big one. Big stigma. When children come, they ask you whether now only Nigeria there for Africa. They say Nigeria is a giant of Africa. My children come, they ask me like that. That one not rich. When person head, you go take scatter. Not rich. You not rich. Not rich. He get one brother where we know for here. When he reach Nigeria, he start to dey share something. He can't put this thing for my phone. I can't see say where they share something for this thing. When my pikin see, I say, hey, mommy, why little children they are hawking? Why? Is that not a stigma to Nigeria? Is that not a stigma to Edo State? My people now when they Europe, why una no fit know my una no fit get my point. Una need to get my point. Una no see what they happen. Una no they get my point. Now the people when it costs and I mean the turtle. I no hate them. I want to make our place change. Oh yeah. As they no fit ruler, make them leave the ruling for me. I want to rule Nigeria. Make them leave her for me. Make her handle her. As the men no fit, I go fit ruler. I'll fit ruler. I go change my state. I go change Nigeria. Oh yes. Everything go do okay. I want ruler. Mona try woman. Even though not be me, mona find woman where we go interview her. Whether I go give her to me, make her interview, even though not be mona choose. May we ship her come out for my hand. Since 1960, when Nigeria got independent, nothing to show for it. 11 new people say make I not talk. I will talk. They come, they put life on my head. Waiting I don't know about. Waiting not even happen to bring me down. No, not fit. Na jam rock of Odohunobi. Not fit. Now that kind of one open. Una why open the place one I don't want make I go to. Now that time go open now. Now that time. Now that time. Una don't send una make come make it spin me. I thought I say I get husband. I get lovely husband. When he cherishes me, when he love me. When he knows say I be woman. Yeah. Get her. I fall for now. I get husband. I not be woman. When he marry, he go they do of your currency department for outside now. I not be that kind of a woman. I be woman of speaking true. Woman of speaking true now be. I be woman of caliber of speaking true. Now be. Now what got say people donate money for my people know people when I put money for my account, they know them. They know their self. They know even only one person with the one way there for Nigeria. Be like say now one person still put for them or two. One saying go put finish. I don't get waiting at the hide. Statement of account today. I go still bring a comment. Now this one I go fix do nothing. I did be a biashago. Now I go feel do anyhow. I don't be a shago. I be married woman. Oh yeah. Una information, people where they give my address or my information for now, you go tell una say, I be married woman. I'm not there with a boy, I'm there with a man. There no quality of a woman. Yeah. I love her. My sweetheart. Oh yes. I love her, I love me also. Nothing will come between me and him. Nothing. Nobody. Oh yeah. I must tell the truth, my people. I must. Any name one I like, more talk. Anything one I like, nothing. They stop with Odohunoji. Nothing. Our mission, we must complete that for that land. If we are not change. Now good thing we want for our land. Make our people not they die. Make them not they suffer. That we want. That is what we are pursuing. Any evil, any truth that when it day, we will use broom sweep them away. For our land, for our country. Now Boko Haram, now smell anybody when he want bring us down. When he want bring us down. If you not know the women, if you not know the women, Biafra, Idu, Igodomi, Igodo. Great mothers, hey, our ancestors, go bless all of you. We are there for the betterment of our country. Of Idu Igodomi Igodo. Oh yes, we ready. We ready. Oh yeah. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of killing. Nothing. Where me does I don't old. People they where they come, they bomb me there. Maybe the same month. They don't die. If not this one I can't do. I'm okay with that. I got the fear. Who will be that person? Who will be that person? I got the fear government not to tell them the truth. Or I got the fear traditional ruler not to tell them the truth. Oh no. Oh no, they never born the person. Unless if you respect yourself. If you respect yourself, I will respect you. The way we are, they respect the country where I think. I respect them. I respect them. I respect them. Like we are get business. They are Utamato there, they are Kade. I respect her. If I see her, they greet and fine because he know the value of his people. They respect their people. They respect children. They respect pregnant women. They respect old women. They respect old men. You go there for throne. You go be rulers. You go be governments. You don't know your work to do. You say make I respect you. Oh no. Not be this face go respect. I don't feel respect that kind of people. Oh yeah. No. Not be this face go respect that people. If you do your job well, you do your work well, I respect. I can be your house girl. I can be your house woman. I go bring myself down for you because you love your people, because you love your children, because you love your old men, you love farmers. When you don't do that, hungry they beat people. People they die. Due to they die. You say make I respect you? Oh no. Now that's why they break my head. Who I will respect? Respect who? When you don't respect people, when they put you there, people will make you they breathe. No. What got to tell us you? If you are woman, I see you. What to tell? Wow, I mean it's a. What to tell? If you walk for a machine here, if they stop you, you go enter paro. That paro, the tax where you they pay, they will still pay them back to you. What kind of enjoyment is that? You know they happen for my country. You know they happen for my states. You say make I respect you? Oh no. You say make I call you God? Oh no. You say make I call you King of King? Oh no. Do us well. May you see respect. Do us well. Do us well. Do our people well. Buhari die. No person will not believe people. Will not find out. The elders. No say people they talk this matter. May let us really check. Una leave rule for Esme. They rule us. Buhari not there alive. None of una come and talk am. Una say make I respect una. Then they carry our money, they go Saudi Arabia, Dubai, everywhere they bank. Who they die, they die. Then they kill our people, they collect pass for their body. We must say, make a respect to who? Who? Oh. Oh no. I don't get who I will respect. I don't get. You see the country where I did now, I dey respect them. Because they did perfect. They did good. It get one time, 1 year. I don't get money. I can't go hospital. Doctor can write one medicine for me. The medicine where they write for me, no money for me to buy. It get like as we they talk, as we they say, I will go to talk like a council, like a council. I can't go there. I can't show them the paper where doctor write for me, say I want to buy this medicine. The medicine, I don't get money to buy it. Money not there with me. They collect the paper for me. When they collect the paper for me, they write check for me. I go to buy the medicine. Why I not go sleep? Make Oyibo match me. I go sleep because they know my value. I go give them that respect. Which person for Nigeria, you know, see money to buy medicine? When he go meet a traditional ruler, we go write check for her. If he write for one tomorrow, next tomorrow, he writes. They go write again. They do the thing there for the council. Anybody when they come. I say make they repair my country, make they repair my face, my place. They say where much where I take talk, I must talk. We must talk. We hungry women. We women where their heads load don't full up. We must talk. We're not there frustrated. But waiting they happen for our country, it don't fool us rich yet. We must talk. We must talk. We must talk. We must talk. Even though they pull gun from my head like this, they want to kill me. I must talk. Even if they shoot me, I want make una repair my country. I don't want to make you to the die. I must talk. I don't go fear anybody. Instead of me not to talk, let heaven and earth pass away. Angry women, we many. That's all I go take change. We many. Not beautiful. Not let my face on the scene. I never see the rest. So queen, princess, when fine pass me, and I will see. I say, we get this kind of people. They see our men. Many don't old for Europe, they're not married because of frustrated. They don't get children. When we get what they go give for food. Buhari go America say our youth now lazy youth. That day, I carry my head in knock war. When I say maybe we no talk, we must talk. We must talk. You see many pennies, many prick when they cut go China. Una know we na Nigeria. Una cut many head of pennies when he die. The people when he die. Una say maybe we no talk. We must talk. We must talk. Women must talk. Now we born the children. We must talk. The day when we go come that our place, we know they buy tickets. Now we go as soon as carry Likota go take carry na the cano for Kenya. Now so we go take land. Una go they shoot. Una go they shoot. We don't keep money. Anyone wanna kill rich, we go settle their family. We don't keep the money. Una think say na small people they thought una. We not small. We not small. We not small. We go come. That day, all the cloth where we go wear, the hanger of a women. And we go right put. Now I go tell you our identity. This is the road in the square. Una they put bad comments. Una no fi thought una comments. Say things not good for our country. Una the right bad comments for me. When me there for your generation, I there for my own, I there for other people. As soon as I take carry that, the kind of way there for everybody. We ready to. Ay, oh Jaja. Oh. My people now do well. The face. People there for many years for Europe, they don't get documents. Many years, they don't get documents. Where we get land, good land. The people who still in Nigeria, then they suffer. So they die. So they fall for up. They die. No good hospital. Nothing. Una say make I close this one. Nah. I must talk. Go Lagos. See on that bridge. Mad people everywhere. Frustration people everywhere. Go see. Police go, they carry gun. And the police people now then they suffer with soldiers. Boko Haram day. Esme day. They don't feel stop her. They don't feel stop her. Our Lord Esme they kill people. Our rulers not feel stop. Area we waka. Una say make I not talk. My people. I'll talk. If you dey Europe, you know they even they remember that place safe. You know they even they remember home. But it depends us. It depends us. Yes, he want walk come me and me better come me and me one because of what they happen. So what did they happen? Some people go they call Nigeria now. They go Ghana, go drop their children there. Make they see Africa. Not the shame. Nigeria government, you know the shame. Traditional ruler, not the shame. Una children go Ghana. Go keep children go holiday there. Go other country. Go holiday. Fear not go let the carry children enter Nigeria. the giant of Africa. And it's shame. And it's shameful. Now will still come out. That manipulation matter. When ancestors the first put, now still continue the do. Say, if you are not change, if you are not change. If I just look my country, I go dey pity for myself. Ow! People were dead there. People were dead there. I'm happy, thank God. Don't carry my children come off for that useless place. Thank God. Thank God. So none of it talk truth. Now see truth. Now they run, now they fear to talk. Now they play around the bush for the make the truth not come out. My people now do well. That's why I talk and reach. Another day, go see again.